Okay, so I'm just going to show you a tip to light the fire. Yep, one thing you need, one of these babies. Okay, let's quickly scout around the fire. Yep, we've got some brown leaves here. Put some twigs in. Yesterday's unburnt bit, put that in. A few other smaller bits we've prepared in advance with the axe. Just a little teepee, that'll do the job. Then you get this beauty. Let's fire her up. Oh, here we go. Put this underneath, look, have a look down here. Underneath the fire. We'll leave that there for 2 or 3 minutes. It's just going to be beautiful. Pretty easy. It's not a safety Dave demonstration, by the way. This comes with 1,000 years experience, so do what I do at your own risk.